Hello and welcome. So today we learn a nested if function and its use. So with nested if function, I will create one employee salary sheet. So I have written the employee names and their post. So for post I have used data validation to create the list. So I am seeing it how to create a data validation and create the list. First of all, you have to select the fields that you want to data validation. Go to the data tab, click on the data validation, then in the allow select the list and write the source data like admin, and you have to give comma, then IT, then a trainer, then HR. After writing all these things, you have to click on OK. So once you do that, you can see that a drop down list has been appeared. So in this way we have created created the post. You have created write the post, so employee post. Now the basic salary. So the depending upon the post will having the basic salary. Okay, so what are the posts I have? I have the post of a trainer. I have the post of accounts. I have the post of IT. I have the post of admin and have the post of HR. Okay, so for trainer the basic salary is 8,000 suppose. For accounts the basic salary is 10,000. For IT the basic salary suppose is 8,500. For admin the basic salary is suppose 7,000, and for HR the basic salary is 12,000. Okay, so with the help of a nested if I will create the basic salary. I will put the basic salary, so equal to if, because there is a multiple condition, therefore we have to use a nested if. So equal to if, then you have to select the post, then if it is a trainer, then the basic salary will be 8,000. That is mentioned in the question, 8,000. Then again you have to use the if, then a bracket, then select this one. If it is equal to accounts, then the basic salary will be 10,000. Okay, then again you have to use the if, then a bracket, then you have to select this one, equal to, if it is IT, then the basic salary will be 8,500. Okay, comma again, then again a if, and after if it is, you have to select the post, and if it is admin, then the basic salary will be 7,000. Then you have to write 7,000. So I have stated all my conditions. If the condition matches with the trainer, then the salary is 8,000. If the condition matches with the accounts, then the salary is 10,000. If the condition matches with the IT, the salary is 8,500. If it is admin, then the 7,000. Now only one condition is left, that is HR. All the two condition has been done. Only one false condition is left. For that I am writing 12,000. So I am writing 12,000. So after writing 12,000, we have to close all the brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets are there. So we have to close 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you press enter. Once you press enter, all the basic salary will come. I hope you understand. Now with the help of nested if, I will create a DA for trainer, and so I am making it for HR and accounts. The DA is 30% of basic. DA is 30% of basic. Rest, what about rest? Rest is 20%. So HR and accounts, the DA is 30%, of basic, rest is 20% of basic. So how to calculate? Give equal to, then a F, and after giving a F we have to select this one. If it is a HR, then what is basic salary? This one into, what is the basic salary? Into 30%. So you have to write 30%. 30%, give a comma, then again a select a F, then a bracket, then a this one. If it is equal to accounts, then the basic salary will be this one into, what is the percent? 30%. So 30%. And what about rest? Rest will get basic or 20%. So basic into 20%. So basic into 20%. Then we have to close only single double brackets because two conditions are there. Then I enter, then the DA will reflect for each and every employee. Now the TA. So TA stands for traveling allowance. Okay. Only HR will get 25% of TA of basic, and rest will get 15%. Okay, so rest will get 15%. So how to calculate it? Equal to this one again, because I am selecting the post, equal to, okay, so I have to first mention the F, then a equal to, then a bracket, then select this one, equal to, what is the post? HR. So for HR, it is basic salary into how much percentage? 25%. Rest, what about rest? For rest it is 15%. Okay, so I am closing it and enter. So once I do it, all the TA will be reflected. Okay, I hope you understood. HRA is 26% for all. That is means it is same for all. That means you don't have to use the if. So equal to basic into 26%, enter. So once I do it, the HRA will come. Now the PF stands for Provident Fund. The Provident PF is 13% for all. Think the PF is 13% for all. PF is 13 for all. So how to do it? Equal to basic into 13%. If I do it, it will come. So all the PF has come. So it is okay. Now the tax. So the tax is whose basic salary is more than, if the basic salary is more than 10 more than or equal to 10,000, then tax is 5%. If the basic salary is more than or equal to 10,000, then the tax is 5%. So I am making it as 1,000. Okay, 10,000. If the basic salary is more than 10,000, okay, 10,000, then the tax is 5%. So how to do it? Equal to, if the, you have to select the basic salary here. sorry, you have to select the basic salary. The basic salary is greater than equal to 10,000, then what is the 5% of basic. So you have to select the basic into 5%. If I do it, otherwise the tax is 0. So mention 0, then a bracket, then a enter. Once I do it, all the tax will be reflected. Now the gross salary. So what about gross salary? The gross is calculated all the things combined. So I can use the sum function, sum, then I take all this component together and close it and press the enter. Once I press the enter, I will use the autofill feature to fill it up. Now the net salary. The net salary is calculated. How it calculated? Gross, which is your total salary, minus what will be deducted? Your PF plus tax will be deducted. So press enter. Once I press my enter, then the net salary has come to the answer. Then I use the autofill feature to fill the cells. I hope you understood the nested if function. So nested if are used when there is a multiple condition. When there is a multiple condition, that time you use the nested if function. Okay. When there is a single condition, you can use single if. But when there is a multiple condition, multiple decision you have to make, then we have to use the nested if function. That's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.